Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Messieurs les journalistes, mes chers compatriotes.
Ladies and gentlemen, journalists, my dear compatriots, it is with strong conviction and immense humility that I address you this evening following the announcement of the decision taken by the government of the Republic of Chad concerning the termination of the military cooperation agreement between our country and France. Indeed, for several decades, Chad and France have maintained cooperation in various sectors, notably in the military domain. This termination concerns only the military cooperation agreement in its current configuration. This agreement was signed in a different era, with different actors on both sides, and in a different context. It aimed to address the common challenges of a past national, regional and international conjuncture. However, over time, this agreement has become obsolete, completely obsolete. It no longer aligns with the geopolitical and strategic realities of our time, nor does it meet our legitimate expectations for the full expression of our sovereignty. Similarly, it no longer provides any real added value on the military front, where we face various and serious challenges, such as terrorist attacks and national and regional security threats. In the face of these challenges, our defense and security forces have consistently demonstrated unparalleled bravery and determination. They have proven, time and again, their capacity to defend the integrity of our territory, ensure the security of our citizens, and effectively contribute to combating terrorism on a regional scale. From now on, they are called to adapt to the new reality resulting from the termination of this agreement, which, in practical terms, changes absolutely nothing. On the contrary, this decision should inspire greater commitment and focus within our defense and security forces to better protect Chad's integrity and ensure the safety of its citizens. Dear compatriots, members of the media, this decision was not taken lightly. It results from deep reflection and thorough evaluation, fulfilling a promise made to the Chadian people through my social project, the commitment to build reciprocal and balanced relationships with friendly and allied countries in a spirit of independence and respect for state sovereignty. As a sovereign state, with 66 years of progress since the proclamation of the Republic, Chad has both the right and the duty to freely define its international relations, choose the forms of cooperation it desires, and conduct its defense policy according to its priorities. We have thus decided to end this military cooperation in order to reorient our partnership with France toward areas that will have a more positive impact on the daily lives of our respective populations. This decision is based on several factors, including lack of reciprocity. The French military presence in Chad is not based on mutual benefits. Chad must no longer accept from others what is not granted to it in return. This is the sacred principle of reciprocity. Need for reform, it is now essential for Chad to rectify the shortcomings in its international relations and independently choose the forms and partners of its international cooperation in line with its national priorities, strengthening our capabilities. This decision is part of our ambition to build a Chadian army that is fully responsible, more autonomous, and more committed to fulfilling its sovereign mission of defending the nation. My dear compatriots, members of the media, I want to emphasize, to clear any ambiguity, that this decision does not constitute a rejection of international cooperation, nor does it question our diplomatic relations with France. We remain open to constructive exchanges with all our partners, including France, to establish new frameworks for cooperation, based on the universal principles that govern international relations. Furthermore, we reaffirm our strong commitment to continue the fight against terrorism and to contribute to regional security in close collaboration with neighboring countries and all nations that share these concerns. Chad will continue to play its role and occupy its place in initiatives to promote peace and security on the African continent and globally. However, our absolute priority remains the protection of our people and our territory. I invite you, ladies and gentlemen, to understand this decision in its proper context. It is about strengthening our sovereignty, rethinking our international relations, and assuming our responsibility in building lasting peace, both in Chad and within our region. We will continue to work with all partners in a spirit of mutual respect. We call on our allies to support this initiative and to assist Chad in strengthening its defense and security capacities. To conclude, the government has been instructed to implement this decision in coordination with the French side. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, journalists, my dear compatriots, this termination of the defense agreement with France is part of a necessary re-evaluation of our strategic priorities. Chad is in no way pursuing a logic of replacing one power with another, much less engaging in a shift toward a new master. Our nation firmly believes in its ability to defend its integrity, ensure the safety of its citizens, and safeguard their well-being. This decision is thus a sovereign, well thought out, and fully assumed act aimed at strengthening our national independence and fulfilling a strong commitment made to the Chadian people. I invite you to share this message with the national and international community in a spirit of patriotism and professionalism. May God bless you. May God bless Chad, the land of humanity's crossroads.
Engagé et plus responsable dans l'accomplissement de sa mission régalienne de défense de la patrie. Mes chers compatriotes, hommes des médias, je tiens à préciser, pour lever toute ambiguïté, que cette décision de rupture ne constitue en aucun cas un rejet de la coopération internationale ni une remise en question de nos relations diplomatiques avec la France. Nous restons ouverts à des échanges constructifs avec l'ensemble de nos partenaires, y compris la France. Et c'est dans le but d'établir de nouveaux cadres de coopération fondés sur les principes universels qui régissent les relations internationales. Par ailleurs, nous réaffirmons notre ferme engagement à poursuivre la lutte contre le terrorisme et à œuvrer pour contribuer à la sécurité régionale en étroite collaboration avec les pays voisins et toutes les nations qui partagent ces préoccupations. Le Tchad continuera de jouer tout son rôle et d'occuper toute sa place au sein des initiatives de renforcement de la paix et de la sécurité sur le continent africain en particulier et à travers le monde en général. Toutefois, notre priorité absolue reste la protection de notre peuple et de notre territoire. Je vous invite, mesdames, messieurs, à appréhender cette décision dans son contexte approprié. Il s'agit de renforcer notre souveraineté, de repenser nos relations internationales et d'assumer notre responsabilité dans l'édification d'une paix durable, tant au Tchad qu'au sein de notre région. Nous continuerons à travailler avec tous les partenaires dans l'esprit de respect mutuel. Nous appelons nos alliés à soutenir notre démarche et à accompagner le Tchad dans la consolidation de ses capacités de défense et de sécurité. Pour conclure, le gouvernement est instruit pour procéder à la mise en œuvre de ces décisions en prenant attache avec la partie française. Pour finir, mesdames, messieurs les journalistes, mes chers compatriotes, cette rupture de l'accord de défense avec la France s'inscrit dans le cadre d'une réévaluation nécessaire de nos priorités stratégiques. Le Tchad n'est nullement dans une logique de remplacement d'une puissance par une autre, encore moins dans une approche de changement de maître. Notre pays croit avec foi en sa capacité de défendre son intégrité et assurer la sécurité de ses citoyens et leurs biens. Cette décision constitue donc un acte souverain, mûrement réfléchi, entièrement assumé, visant à renforcer notre indépendance nationale et répondre à un engagement fort pris devant le peuple tchadien. Je vous invite donc à porter ces messages à la communauté nationale et internationale dans un esprit de patriotisme et de professionnalisme. Que Dieu vous bénisse. Que Dieu bénisse le Tchad, pays de Toumaï, berceau de l'humanité. Je vous remercie.